So, once more, we take this energy check-in, and it's just a continuous story of the same picture. So today I tune in before I go and record. And I saw the first part of this. It was still the earth and the people around it holding hands, sharing their hearts through their hands. So this network and community of heart-based people, human beings, having roots down there into the soil and having communication with whatever is there, intelligent source from earth. And the heart song is still laying as a soundtrack beautifully into the ether around this community. And then I saw, and perhaps that's based also upon my own personal journey right now, but I saw that one of the members fell to the ground, having pain and sorrow. And I close my eyes because I now go into this mode. And it was so beautiful to see how this one person kind of took her hands away from the community, but there's still this heart-based connection. So even though she pulled away, there was still a community around her. And it was beautiful to see the energetics of it, that her falling into her own experience of pain, the others kind of gave her energy to let her see that she had lots of possibilities for letting energy come to her. And when she discovered that, when she saw that, when she could, before she was shutting down her own system, but when she saw that there came energy from all sides, she could open herself up to becoming a conscious part of the community again. And when she did that, her body rose up, and she just naturally unfolded, and that light from above could come in again. So it was a beautiful process of her own choice, so to speak, based upon overwhelming feelings that made her shut down. The love of the community, even though we cannot see each other, we can sense each other, and we sense without knowing, hey, now one of us needs something special, and it is given to us through the community. So when we allow ourselves to feel that we are part of this heart-based community, we can then, in time when we're ready, to let go of the personal it's kind of being stuck in emotions where everything stands still. But when we are conscious enough, ready enough, and I don't know where the trigger point for that is, but then we will realize that we can let energy flow into us because it's there, provided from the community of heart-based togetherness. Not necessarily from people we see or know, but from people around the world that are based on the same frequency. It's like trees and their root system, if they are all connected and they help each other with nourishment through the roots. So if one tree is in need, the others support it. That's the same with us. And I see it's kind of a vulnerable place to be in, this surrendering to let go of the when we sometimes do this and lock ourselves into nothingness, it can be difficult to step out of that and let energy come to us. So sometimes we tend to forget that we are a community. The word strong comes up, but in a sense that we used to be, it was necessary for us to be strong on our own, but now we have to wake up to the power of community. The power of the hearts, the power of the connectedness through the hearts. And in that community, we can also better let light come in and be grounded to the earth and be at peace with being one with all. So whenever you need to have a hand reach out for you, you can see it in the ether, the heart-based community, and the hands holding from the hearts. You are part of this, as well as me. We are one. One frequency. And just like the ocean, there are waves and tides, and it's okay to be caught up in the little waves, and it's okay to wake up to see we are together in the tide, always. Enjoy the process of life. So, a little process for the day. Have a good one.